Okay, baby had his first feeding of the day, and mommy is burping him. He has fallen asleep again after eating for a few minutes. I think he likes to sleep. And I think we mostly like it when he's sleeping. Yep, okay. Gonna change his diaper. Oh, he's gonna hate it.
It's a poopy one.
Oh, it's a poopy one. Oh, so far so good. Oh, here comes the crying. Oh, Titus doesn't like the diaper change. Oh, it's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. Mommy's just cleaning you. Getting a good cleaning, though. It's okay, babe.
It's not that
Oh!
It's not that bad.
Oh! He hates the diaper change. Almost done, babes. Almost done. Okay, so close, baby, so close. Okay. Here, I got the study now. Oh. And it's all over. And all is right in the world again. Oh. Here he is, all swallowed up by the doctor. She just did an exam. He's all okay, but he's kind of jaundiced. So we're gonna come back tomorrow just to get him checked out.